When the interstate was redeveloped, they had additional land that was left over that they're gifted to Indy Parks.
And the park director was like, we have this land that is never going to be a traditional park. Maybe we should grow food on it.
Indy Urban Acres is an urban farm here in the city of Indianapolis, and it's mostly geared to produce produce for the community.
In 2011 was our first growing season, and we grew in a drought with no irrigation.
Everything needs water to grow, so who better to partner with than the citizens? We started with a field visit out here just to assess the situation and come up with a way to get high enough volumes of water that they could run their own hoses and be able to relocate them to keep water to all the produce.
Citizens is proud to provide Indy Urban Acres with reliable access to clean water while being a champion for its commitment to water and soil conservation.
Soil health practices it's huge for us. Not just what are we doing to the soil because of the plants that we're growing, but what are we doing to the waterways as well. Right behind us, we have Warren Creek. Warren Creek flows into Pleasant Run, which flows into the White River, which flows into the Wabash River, which flows into the Ohio River, Mississippi, Gulf of Mexico, Atlantic Ocean, to the rest of the world.
We recently installed water access infrastructure to help Indy Urban Acres expand to an additional site.
So now we have 3 sites that we just continue to grow food and give it to the community.
Food insecurity is a big issue in Indianapolis, and I think that we should really call it what it is, and that's hunger.
There's a report that went out from the Indy Hunger Network. That report stated that 25% of Marion County residents suffer from food insecurities. Indy Urban Acres produces about 60,000 pounds of produce each year. 100% of the produce that it produces goes directly back into the community through vegetable baskets, the markets, and the food pantries.
Go to the store on a budget, walk right past the organic produce aisle. I feel like that's some of the most expensive stuff, some of the highest quality stuff. So having it there at the food pantry, I hope is kind of a psychological thing of, wow, we've got the best stuff at the grocery store here at the food pantry for us.
To be able to grow all this produce and then be able to give it back to the community, it's just unbelievable, and I don't think there's enough recognition for what they do.
It doesn't take much to help another human being. It doesn't take much to make someone's day. Just a little bit of hard work sometimes.